So you are looking for how to upgrade your daily driver easily and cheap? So this is video for you. Just keep watching until the end to see the best part. So the number one thing, it should be the eyebrows. On these headlights, the eyebrows make your car look more aggressive, more meaning in the look. As well as for my own Skoda, I put the new grill on it and the new badges. Well, it's RS version of it, but I don't have the front emblem. Of course, you can also do the front lip and the 18-inch wheels. These are OEMs, stock ones, which come with it. And of course, you should wash it. And you can put the badges on the back as well. As you can see, it gives you more better look on the back, but not on the front. So there's actually a lot of things what you can do. You can also put the diffuser thingy, which I don't have it because I like the stock one. This is family car. This is daily driver, not some tuning type. Side skirts as well. You can lower it. You can also put the smoky thingies, the out of the focus ones. And if you really want to stand out, you can change the backlights to the custom ones, I guess. Antenna, which I have bought it, but I haven't put on it. From the other side, you can also repaint the car or make it your own unique one. You can put the LEDs, the running LEDs over there. And well, this is my Skoda. Well, it's better than it was before with the original front grille, which was in chrome. I repainted it in black to match the car, so it looks more aggressive. You can also put the LED fog lights, maybe some custom headlights, tint the windows, and basically every daily driver, it's possibility to make it unique and more aggressive. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. That's it.